Good morning, boys and girls.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
So for today's science lesson, we'll be doing an experiment. Do you remember when we combined substances of the same state of matter and mixed them together?
Yes.
Yeah.
Today we will be combining substances of differing states of matter to see what happens. So as we perform this experiment, I would like you all to pay attention to how each substance looks, tastes, and feels before and after mixing them together. So for this experiment today, we will be using honey, lemons, water, and sugar. So I know each of you already washed your hands, so that's good. And in front of you, you will find a napkin that's to cut your lemon on, a glass, a stir stick, and a knife to cut your lemon with. So I will give each of you a lemon. Right now I would like you just to leave your lemon in place where it is. And now I'm going to go around the classroom and put a little dab of honey in everybody's cup.
That's honey. Mama. That's honey.
So now I would like for you to take a look at your honey. Feel free to taste it as well. And I would like for you to note, what do you notice about the honey?
It moves when I move my glass.
That's good, Kathy.
Sweet.
Good job, Larry.
It's sticky.
It is sticky, isn't it, Patrick?
It is.
Good job. All right.
Can
So
I,
now,
can I taste it?
yes, you can taste
I did
it.
taste it.
You did?
Yes, it's sweet.
Okay.
Tastes good.
So now that you've observed the honey, I would like for you to each take your knife and you can go ahead and cut your lemon in half.
Which way?
If any of your classmates are having any issues, feel free to help each other. That's what we're here for. All right, everybody, looks like everybody has their lemon cut. Perfect. All right, now just like we did with the honey, I would like for each of you to take a look at your lemon. Go ahead, feel free to taste it, smell it.
Lemons are kind of sour, aren't they?
They are pretty sour.
Ooh,
Yes, they are.
really sour. Is yours sour, Patrick?
It is.
What else do you notice about your lemon?
It's
Does it have a smell at all?
Smells like lemon.
Okay.
It smells like clean or refreshing.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
There's a seed in mine too.
Well, each of you probably will find a little, few
Yeah.
little seeds in there.
There's a seed.
Yep, if you want to go ahead and pick them out, that's fine. You can just leave those right on your napkin.
Okay.
All right, and now, once you have your seeds picked out, I would like for you to each take your lemon halves and go ahead and squeeze them into your glass.
Wow, it's a lot of juice coming out.
Yes, it is. Squeeze bowl, no?
Do you notice anything that's happening with the honey as you put the lemon in your glass?
I think it's mixing up with the honey is mixing up with the lemon.
All right,
Yeah.
It's getting runnier.
Mm-hmm.
the honey is getting runnier?
Yes.
Okay. Can anybody possibly explain to me why you think that's happening?
Chemical reaction.
Because lemon is an acid.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Just like we did with our last experiment too, like I mentioned at the beginning of this lesson, when we mix substances of the same state of matter, so when we mix two liquids together, they combine and they all form and mix together just to create one big substance. So that's kind of what's happening here too now with the lemon and the honey.
Can I mix it with my spoon?
Yes, you can go ahead and mix it with your spoon. That's fine.
I can feel it's in there.
Mm-hmm. Yes,
All
it is
right.
good.
As Looks like it's all mixing up together.
Yeah.
Create one big, so you can't really tell anymore that there's honey and lemon in there, right? Okay. All right, and looks like everybody has their lemon halves squeezed out. Perfect, so now I'm gonna go around the classroom and I'm gonna add a little bit of water to everybody's cup. Okay. Now that you all have some water, I am going to have everybody take a spoonful of sugar. This is kind of to your taste too, so if you don't like a lot of sugar, that's fine. Just feel free to take a little bit, just as long as you get some sugar in your glass, so everybody can see what happens. And then go ahead, you see some of you doing already, go ahead and mix that all up together. Now, how did that sugar look before you added it to your glass?
It was like a solid because it had all those little crystals.
Okay, good job, Kathy. Perfect, yep. Sugar is a solid in the state that you received it in. And now that you've all gone ahead and mixed the sugar into your glass, do you see any sugar crystals anymore?
No?
They're all gone.
Dissolved.
Yep.
Does that count?
Dissolved. Excellent, Larry. Good job. You are correct. All right, everybody has their sugar mixed in. All right, so now like I mentioned at the beginning of this lesson, this is the best part, is you guys get to go ahead and drink your experiment now that it's complete.
I was going to ask.
Lemonade.
And the lemons don't taste so sour anymore, which is good and refreshing.
Mixed with that little bit of sugar and some honey. Definitely offsets the tartness of the lemon, doesn't it?
Yeah, chunks.
And yes, and now we have lemonade. Excellent.
This is really good.
All right, good job, class. So now that you all have gone and done this experiment, I would like for you all to go home, and with your parents' permission, of course, you can go home and try and, do more experiments at home with different substances, combining solids and liquids like we did here today. And as you do so, make sure you kind of note how they look and taste and feel before and after you mix them together.
That sounds like fun.
Yeah.
I'm going to go home and do that.
All right.
I might make this.
Some more lemonade. That is pretty good, isn't it?
Got lemons. Make lemonade.
Especially in summer.
Summer is a really good time for lemonade. All right. Good job, class.